Today we're making soy sauce scrambled eggs. So dahil wala masyadong nag-like at nag-comment dun sa video ko kahapon sa jiggly eggs, well, eggs ulit yung today. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman important ang likes. Ang kailangan ko, love. So grab 2 egg whites, whisk that until you get big bubbles. And then add some soy sauce to your egg yolks kasi soy sauce scrambled eggs nga to. So I'm using soy sauce versus salt kasi mas madali siya ma-incorporate dun sa eggs. Hindi siya nagbubuo-buo. Tapos you can also add black pepper. Hindi naman kailangan pero ako kasi gusto ko yung paminta kasi masarap ang paminta. So combine the egg whites and the egg yolks and then mix everything together. You don't have to be super gentle with this. And then make a cornstarch slurry. So cornstarch lang yan with cold water. Kailangan cold yung water. Stir mo and then add a little of that to the eggs. This will help it na actually hindi ko alam kung bakit pero nakakatulong siya kasi halo mo lang. And then melt some butter in a non-stick pan, tapos wait for that to get really hot and then you put in your eggs. Honestly, ito yung favorite scrambled egg recipe ko. So once you've put all your eggs dun sa pan, you'll notice na yung underside immediately maluluto na. So you just take that and then push it to the side and then slide yung hilaw na part para maluto din yun. And then just repeat the process until maluto lahat ng eggs. And you can also flip it over itself para mas cute lang, mas presentable. But it's not necessary. So, ayan na siya. Very soft, very silky. Sobrang sarap kainin. Mas masarap pa sa itlog ni Anyway, pa-subscribe sa YouTube channel, John Ortega. Thanks.